Well, so this was our quickest design to market product yet. And what happened was we came out with our seed starter tray, and we weren't really thinking about a dome. We weren't thinking about any kind of cover for it. I thought maybe one day we'd work on something, but when we put out the pictures for this online, we got such a response about people looking for the dome that we realized we needed to do something and do something quickly. So we actually modified this mold to allow for these little slots here to receive the snap for this dome. And we came up with various design iterations on our dome. And we wanted it to look a lot like our seed house. So that has a kind of a prismatic greenhouse look to it. And so we wanted to keep that. And so we came along, we made the shape to conform to that. There are some little details that you'll notice if you're seeing these little ribs here. They allow for easy stacking. So when you stack multiple parts, these keep them spaced evenly, and so they don't kind of wedge and lock up together. We have them so that they can fit neatly in the seed starter tray, and we decided to put some ribs in there so that it can, even the seed starting tray can nest in there. So we take a lot of effort to make sure everything can nest together and save space for in the off season or when we're shipping. Needless to say, your input is very important. Well, these seed domes are available for purchase at our website. Happy gardening.